So a realistic expectation of a coating, okay, what you see here is a lot of caked on dirt. Oh no, dirt. But after getting the dirt off, this is the condition of her clear coat. Oh, minimal scratching. Minimal scratching. As I said, it's scratch resistant, not scratch proof. This Opti-Coat Pro's been on for 3 years.
3 years.
See, look, oh, the maintenance, look at this. This is 5 months of caked on dirt that I just wiped off. Now, mind you, yeah, there's some buildup here that has to be taken care of, but oh my God, minimal to zero scratching, guys. They work, clients are happy, they're coming back and having newer cars coated.